Shane, who is in studio with me now. In the quest to make a name for itself as a training center for artificial intelligence, Machakos University signed a memorandum of association with leading technical training institutions in China. And for 4 years, the university has been collaborating with Konza Technopolis Development Authority and Tianjin Vocational College of China to implement its programs through Luban Workshop. As Shadrach Meter reports, the workshop makes Machakos University the second to have such a world-class facility in Africa after South Africa.
With its training programs fashioned along technical, engineering and ICT, Machakos University has in the past few years been creating links locally and globally with a view to establishing its foothold as a reference point in technical training. The Luban Workshop, established with the support of the Tianjin City Vocational College and the Chinese government, seeks to offer opportunities to Kenyan students to partake in world-class technical courses as well as inspire research in the field of ICT and related human engagement.
The Luban Workshop came as an agreement between ourselves and the Tianjin City Vocational and Training College. And under the agreement, there was a project that now brought in a workshop.
The workshop is the first one in Kenya, but the second one to be established in Africa after South Africa. It largely offers a platform for students in Kenya and beyond to be trained in world-class ICT, cloud computing, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things.
This is the Luban Workshop, which was created or developed in partnership with Tianjin City Vocational College. Then we have Konza Technopolis and the Chinese government.
Vice Chancellor Professor Joyce Agalo says the facility also provides the infrastructure that enables students to come up with innovations in areas of computing and engineering.
We look at our students now, they have a space where they can now do their innovations in technology. They have a space where they can be able to innovate and think through a number of the projects that they have.
Through the workshop, students have been able to conduct and work on key projects such as use of Internet of Things, IoT, to manage waste and water levels, artificial intelligence in smart agriculture, and mobile application for managing transition from primary to secondary, among others.
So we're trying to recreate whatever we have in the real world in the virtual world. So we've been partnering with different organizations like Tembea Kenya. So what we're aiming to do is, for example, if we have a park like Nairobi National Park, we go there, then we get whatever they have physically, then we try to recreate them in a digital world so that we have both of them, and that can be used to leverage on the marketing that they have.
The project is focused on helping the visually impaired in navigating, in recognizing objects, and basically interacting with the environment as we increase their inclusivity in global matters such as climate change. They can also be able to access services such as e-commerce through our project.
Last year, 5 students presented a mobile application named Blind Eye that helps visually impaired to navigate their surroundings. The innovation emerged as the best artificial intelligence innovation and also the best overall project in the Inter-University Hackathon held at Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. Through engagement with Konza Technopolis Development Authority, Tianjin City Vocational College, Huawei Technologies, and the Chinese government, Machakos University has established Jitume Lab, which works hand in hand with Ajira Digital and the Kenya Youth Employment Program, designed to facilitate access to online jobs, local and internationally.
So we are looking at this as it's going to really have a bigger impact. It is not only going to be utilized for university programs, but we are also going to have an impact to the society and also the community around, but even Kenya. We want to see if even the ICT authority can even use it as a center where they can be sending their teams for training whenever they have other kinds of training.
The workshop has further enabled students to create a digital employment bureau aimed at providing vital support to students and graduates in their pursuit of employment. Shadrach Meter, KTN News.